Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make cottage pie. Such a great dinner recipe idea. Okay, so let's start. All the exact ingredients will be down in the description below. Let's start by frying our onions. Once your onion has a nice golden brown color, add in your minced beef. Now add in your spices. While the meat is cooking, boil your potatoes. Add in gravy and leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add in carrots. Once your carrot is about 90% done, add in your peas. Now that everything has cooked, let's put our pie together. To my potatoes, I added salt, parsley, butter, and a bit of milk. Spread mozzarella cheese on top. To make it nice and crunchy, I added breadcrumbs and melted butter, and I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. Let's bake it in a preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications to be notified whenever we post a new video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!